What's your usual breakfast? And do you often have bread and eggs every morning? There are many ways to cook eggs: boiled, fried, scrambled, or rolled. Today, I'll show you how to make a bread and egg dish with a super delicious secret sauce. And I believe this recipe will completely change your culinary experience. I can assure you this is the fastest and tastiest way to cook eggs for breakfast. No need for complicated techniques, just a few familiar ingredients and a little trick, and you'll have a dream breakfast. Start by preparing the ingredients. All are easy to find and always available in your kitchen: red, juicy tomatoes, fresh, crisp cucumbers, fragrant fresh parsley, and a few mild peppers if you like spicy flavor. Make sure all the vegetables and fruits are thoroughly washed to remove all dirt and bacteria. First, we wash all vegetables and fruits under running water to remove all dirt and bacteria. Ensure the ingredients are fresh and dry before preparation to make the dish as clean and safe as possible. Now slice the cucumber into thin slices or edible strands. Remove the seeds from the chili and cut into small pieces to achieve a moderate level of spiciness, not too intense. Fresh vegetable slices will be the perfect base for the bread, making it crisp and refreshing. So the veggies that come with the egg sandwich are done. We will cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces, almost pureed, to combine with the egg sauce and create a thick, appealing special sauce that soaks into each slice of bread. Next, place a pan on the stove and add a small amount of oil or butter to heat. The oil will prevent the eggs from sticking to the pan and give them a beautiful golden color. Now we crack 5 eggs one by one into the hot pan. I usually fry eggs on medium heat to ensure the whites cook evenly while keeping the yolks slightly runny. When you hear the sizzling sound, your kitchen will be filled with an enticing aroma. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. We cover the lid so the eggs cook evenly on top. Now that the eggs are done, let's lift the pot lid to see the result. Wow, the eggs look absolutely perfect. The whites have set, with crispy golden edges but not burnt, and the inner whites remain soft and smooth, pale and tender. Especially the yolk stays round and plump, glossy, which shows the eggs are cooked just right, not overdone. The yolk inside is still slightly runny and creamy. With this simple frying method, we've achieved perfectly cooked eggs, evenly cooked whites, a beautiful golden yolk that exudes an enticing aroma. Next, use a whisk to separate the eggs and then take them out of the pan one by one. Don't wash the pan after frying the eggs because we will use the same pan with the remaining oil and fat to make the special secret sauce. I add a small piece of butter to the pan to create creamy richness and a distinctive aroma. When the butter melts, use a spoon to stir until the butter blends with the remaining oil from frying the eggs, creating a perfect sauce base. Next, add minced garlic and fry until fragrant. The garlic aroma combines with butter and egg oil to create an extremely enticing layer of flavor, making you unable to resist. Then I added all the minced tomatoes to the pan, stirring evenly to let them release water, soften, and blend with the butter and garlic mixture being sautéed on low heat. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't followed my channel yet, please subscribe to DIY Smart Life for more helpful cooking tips. Add a little soy sauce, to the pan and stir continuously until you detect a strong aroma and a balanced salty-sweet flavor. The sauce will now have an attractive orange-red color, a smooth and enticing texture, which is the secret weapon for this egg sandwich. While the sauce is boiling vigorously, place slices of bread in the oven or toaster oven to crisp them up. Crispy bread will serve as the perfect base to support all the toppings above. Take out the toasted bread, then use a sharp knife to cut it in half to easily assemble the filling and enjoy. Each crisp half of the bread will serve as a comfortable bed for the ingredients on top. Place the prepared cucumber slices and parsley on the bread. Cucumber provides a crisp and cool texture. Parsley brings a distinctive aromatic fragrance, while a few slices of chili will add a bit of spiciness if you're part of the no spice, no fun group. Then, gently place 2 fried eggs on top of the vegetable portion, making sure to arrange them evenly to prevent them from breaking. The eggs with golden yolks and crispy-edged whites will be the main highlight of your sandwich. Finally, you pour the tomato sauce, garlic, and secret soy sauce evenly over the top, soaking into every crevice of the egg and vegetables. The smooth, glossy sauce layer with a rich aroma will cover the entire surface, creating an extremely eye-catching color palette. So you've completed the egg bread with the secret sauce, which is incredibly delicious and extremely easy to make. Taking a bite, you'll experience the crispiness of the bread, the softness of the egg, the freshness of the vegetables, and especially the rich flavor of the secret sauce. It's an amazing feeling. Try it today so the whole family can marvel. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.